Hey QLers, and welcome to a very unique video that we put together for you. You know, one of the most common questions we get at Qatar Living is, how do I get my driver's license, or where do I go for driving lessons? Well, our Khebra Driving Academy here in Abu Hamur is a good place to start. For over a decade, they've specialized in making drivers confident, courteous, and safe. So we come down to find out exactly what the process is, and we're going to cover everything from registration all the way through to the practical at the end. Stay with us, there's a lot to cover, but this is going to help you guys get your driver's license with ease. Stay with us, let's get going. Al Khebra, recognized as a driving academy in the State of Qatar, provides ideal training for all types of driving licenses while promoting road safety. Alright, so obviously the first place you're going to start is registration. Now, depending on which package you've opted for, what your requirements are, and what your budget is, you're going to come to one of the reception areas, either to the regular reception or to the VIP reception. But these guys are going to tailor make everything according to your needs. So if you're going to be heading out on the roads of Qatar, we need to make sure that you can actually see. And one of the great things is part of the registration is an eye test. So you can either have it done here at Al Khebra Driving Academy or at your local practitioner, but it's an important part of registration. The Unified Driver Training System is an app where the applicant can follow up on their theoretical and practical training activities through the system. DTS also gives the student access to videos and driving instruction ebooks for review. So even if you've never stepped behind the wheel of a car, don't worry, Al Khebra's got you covered. They've got one of the most unique simulators you're ever going to find, and it's accurate with a map of Qatar. So theory classes are a huge part of the curriculum here at Al Khebra. They've got a number of classes designed to make sure that people are ready to get behind the wheel. So we're going to have a look at exactly what the test is all about. We won't give you the answers. You guys need to get that for yourself. And Al Khebra Driving Academy caters to all nationalities here in Qatar. As you can see, they have 10 different languages that the theory is available in. So don't worry, you're going to feel comfortable in exactly what you're learning.